Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix keyboard is typing wrong letters. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your keyboard is typing wrong letters or wrong characters, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in settings you just have to select date and time or time and language. From here just select time and language and then click on language and region. Now here you might see your preferred or added languages. So you can also add any different language from here. You can select your window display language from here. So I'm gonna select any language in which you want to use. So you can use this one. Just click on these three dots, then click on language options. And now here you have to download and install all of these versions. Then just scroll down and then click on add a keyboard. Now in this section, you just have to add a keyboard which you want to use for writing or for typing. So let's say I'm gonna adding a keyboard. This one, I'm going to add this one. Just click on this and it will be added. So once I've added your preferred keyboard, after adding that, you will not get any kind of mistake in your typing. So in this way, you can easily fix your typing error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.